Hello friends, today is April 10th. We are going to be planting some snow peas and snap peas. They are a cool season vegetables which can be planted early spring, like end of March or beginning of April. This is a mixture of both snap peas and snow peas. I prepared this garden bed by amending the soil. I use the all-purpose garden soil. This will feed the plants for 3 months. We can make holes about 2 inches deep. We can put 1 seed in each hole. We can cover them with soil. We can always soak the seeds also to promote the germination. It will germinate faster if you soak them. Now we can water them. Peas needs a trellis for support, so we already had this trellis from last year. I just readjusted the trellis.